My name is Pozo, and I own and operate DP Window Cleaning. I've been in the chamber now 8 years. I specialize in residentials, commercial sites of all sizes, and I do offer solar panel cleanings. I don't advertise anywhere. The chamber has been my advertisement for the last 8.5 years. And since then, my business has grown in leaps and bounds because not only because of my commitment and my participation in the chamber, but vice versa as well, because of the chamber's involvement with me and their commitment to me and helping me grow my business. You know, I get a lot of questions from a lot of members. Mike, what's a secret word? What's a secret potion, the formula to grow your business? There is no secret formula. Join the chamber, get involved, find your niche in the chamber, and people start recognizing for who you are, that you're here for the long run. What the chamber does is give you a sense of credibility when you're a one-man operation like myself. But don't expect it to join the chamber today or tomorrow and you think it's going to fall out of the ceiling, you know, all this business. It doesn't work that way. We have an unwritten motto in the chamber that says, we do business with people we know, like, and trust. You can't do one, you can't do two, you got to have all three in this chamber. And I've been lucky and fortunate. I've had one of those businesses where, like I said, I've gotten involved, I've made friends, and it's just been a godsend to me.